This is a moment to arrive. You do not need to activate yourself more, only to organize your attention. Bring your attention to the breath. Take this moment for yourself. You don't have to do anything special. You don't have to achieve anything. Allow this space to be a point of pause. In the midst of everything you are living today. If you wish, gently close your eyes. And if you prefer to keep them open, let your gaze rest without fixing on anything. Here there is no demand, only presence. Begin by noticing your breathing, just as it is right now. Do not change it. Just observe it. Feel the air entering and leaving. Allow each exhalation to be slightly longer than the inhalation. Without forcing, without pushing. Now, bring your attention to the points of contact of your body. The weight of the body resting. The sensation of being supported. Of not having to hold yourself on your own. Your body knows how to be here. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensation present. Warmth, contact, absence of sensation. All of it is valid. Do not try to change anything. Just observe. Let the attention slowly move up through the legs, calves, knees, thighs, if you notice tension, do not push it away. Allow it to be there and let the breath surround it. Now bring attention to the pelvis and the abdomen. Feel the gentle movement of the breath, how the abdomen moves as you inhale and releases as you exhale. Now the chest, the calm rhythm of the heart. The space that opens with each breath. Allow the shoulders to fall softly, without effort. There is nothing to carry in this moment. Bring attention along the arms, to the hands, the fingers, notice if there is warmth, weight, relaxation. Or simply absence of sensation. Finally, bring attention to the neck, the jaw, the face, allow the face to soften, the tongue rests, the forehead releases, the whole body is being observed with respect. Now feel the entire body as a single unit. Breathing, supported, present. There are no separate parts, only a continuous experience of being here. Before finishing, notice how you feel now. Even if the change is subtle. This feeling of presence and calm does not belong only to this moment. You can return to it at any time of the day, simply by pausing and feeling your body. When you are ready, begin to gently move the body. And open your eyes, carrying this quiet stability into what comes next.